welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for the 2023 Harvest Moon. Please see the article that includes diagrams and tables about the harvest moon on the website. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. The moon is full at 4:57 a.m. CDT on September 29 and is so named the harvest moon. Traditionally, this moon aided agricultural societies at the mid-northern latitudes during their harvest times. Every full moon phase provides brightly illuminated landscapes, but the geometry of the solar system's plane provides more consistent moonlight during the season. Throughout the month on average, the moon rises 50 minutes later each day-night cycle as the lunar orb moves eastward through its orbit. During autumn evenings, the plane of the solar system, known as the ecliptic, makes a shallow angle with the eastern horizon near sunset. As the moon moves farther eastward, it moves 13 degrees each evening compared to the starry background, but compared to the horizon, the moon's altitude, height above the horizon, changes little. The moon is farther eastward, but about the same altitude as the previous night. Looking at moonrise times for Chicago, Illinois from the U.S. Naval Observatory's Mica computer program, the delay of moonrise is considerably less than the average. On the full moon night, the delay from the previous night is only 23 minutes. On those nights leading up to the harvest moon date, the bright moon easily provides light after sundown to work outside without the need for outdoor lighting. On the full moon night, the moon rises only 19 minutes after sunset and while the landscape is brightly lit during the early phase of twilight. Civil twilight, about the time most street lights switch on, occurs 27 minutes after nightfall. The moon provides some light to perform some outside work during the early evening. Looking ahead 6 months, a different geometric arrangement is in play with the March 2024 full moon, known as the worm moon, and the eastern horizon. The ecliptic makes a higher angle with the eastern horizon, similar to the eastern morning sky during September 2023 mornings, giving a favorable view of Mercury. Unlike the autumn lunar path, the spring path is obviously different. The moon's nightly altitude is sharply different as the full phase approaches. During the rising sequence around the March 25, 2024 full phase, the rising time interval from night to night is around 60 minutes. The moon does not linger near the horizon as it does during autumn. While there are no traditional outdoor activities associated with this full phase, the timings are greatly different from the September full moon sequence. It should be noted here, that the short delay of moonrise occurs at any moon phase, when the ecliptic makes a shallow angle with the eastern horizon. A waning crescent moon, first quarter phase, last quarter moon, and any gibbous phase can show the short delays between rising times from night to night. This year, the harvest moon occurs when the moon is near perigee, the point in the orbit closest to Earth. So we will see articles and photographs celebrating the harvest supermoon. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.